Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add HTML code in Odoo website. This is a really useful skill because it lets you insert custom elements, widgets, or third-party content without needing to rebuild your entire page. By adding HTML, you can enhance your site with interactive features, embedded forms, videos, maps, or even special design elements that aren't available in Odoo's standard blocks. We'll be working directly inside the Odoo website editor, and the process is very straightforward once you know where to look. If you want to insert custom HTML for an embed, widget, or other external content, this method makes it easy to place that code right on your page without affecting your existing layout. This is especially helpful when integrating tools like Google Maps, YouTube videos, Typeform surveys, or social media widgets. To begin, go to the home screen in Odoo. From there, click on Website to open your site and access the page you want to edit. This will take you into the website area where you can make visual changes to your content. Think of this area as your live design workspace where you can see changes in real time. Once the website loads, click on Edit. This puts the page into editing mode, so you can add new elements and make changes directly on the screen. If you don't enter edit mode first, you won't be able to insert the HTML block. Entering edit mode is essential because it unlocks all of Odoo's customization tools for your page. After that, click on Blocks. This opens the panel that contains all the building elements you can add to the page, such as banners, text areas, images, and more. In this case, we're looking for a block that lets us insert custom code. Blocks are like building bricks for your website, giving you flexibility to add content wherever you need it. Inside the Blocks panel, go to Inner Content. This section usually contains smaller page elements that can be dropped into an existing layout. It's especially useful when you want to place something specific into the middle of a page without replacing a full section. For example, you might want to add a sign-up form or a product widget right between two content sections. Now, drag and drop the embed code block onto the page, and then click on it. Place it exactly where you want the HTML content to appear. Taking a moment to position it carefully will help keep your page layout clean and organized, especially if you're working on a structured landing page or a content-heavy layout. Proper placement ensures the embedded element flows naturally with the rest of your design. Next, click on Edit for that embed block. This opens the area where you can add or modify the code. You should now see a field or editor where your HTML can be entered. This editor is where your custom code will live, so it's important to paste it correctly. Type in or paste your code into the editor. If you're pasting code from another platform, it's a good idea to make sure it's complete and properly formatted before saving. Even a small missing character, like a closing tag, can break the display or functionality of your content. Double-checking your code beforehand prevents errors and ensures your embedded content works as expected. Finally, click on Save. This applies your changes and updates the page with your HTML code. After saving, review the page to make sure the embedded content appears correctly and fits well with the rest of your design. Previewing the page on both desktop and mobile is also a good idea to ensure the content is responsive and looks great for all visitors. And that's it! That's how you add HTML code in an Odoo website using the built-in editor. With this technique, you can easily enhance your website with custom content and interactive elements without needing advanced coding skills.